Have you ever felt like life has gotten a little quieter than it used to be? Maybe the phone doesn't ring as often, or those regular get-togethers with friends just don't happen anymore. If you've noticed that, you're not alone. Many older adults in America feel this slow drift away from social life. But here's the truth most people don't realize. Staying socially connected isn't just nice to have. It's actually one of the most powerful ways to stay healthy, strong, and happy, no matter your age. As we get older, our routines change. Kids move away, friends retire, or we simply spend more time at home. And while some alone time can feel peaceful, too much isolation can quietly affect our mood, memory, and even our physical health. Studies show that social engagement, things like talking to friends, joining activities, or even chatting with neighbors, can lower stress, keep the brain sharp, and reduce the risk of heart problems and depression. So in today's video, we're going to talk about something truly life-changing: how to stay connected in your later years, emotionally, socially, and meaningfully. We'll explore simple, real-life ways you can build stronger connections, meet new people, and keep that beautiful spark of community alive. 1. Reconnect with old friends. Let's start with something simple: reaching out to old friends. Sometimes life gets busy and people drift apart. But a quick phone call or a message saying, "Hey, I was thinking about you," can open the door again. You'd be surprised how often others are waiting for that same connection, but don't know how to start. One woman from Ohio shared that she called her college roommate after 30 years. Now they talk every Sunday, and she says those calls are the highlight of her week. It doesn't have to be complicated, just genuine. 2. Join a local group or club. Now here's something most people don't realize. Community activities aren't just for the young. Many local centers, libraries, and churches in the U.S. host social programs for adults over 50. From book clubs and walking groups to gardening and volunteer projects, these spaces are full of people looking for the same thing you are: connection. If you're shy, start small. Attend once, just to observe. Chances are you'll find friendly faces who welcome you in right away. Remember, showing up is half the journey. 3. Volunteer for a cause you care about. One of the most fulfilling ways to stay connected is to give your time. Volunteering keeps your mind active, your body moving, and your heart full. Whether it's helping at a food bank, mentoring a young person, or caring for animals, volunteering connects you to people who share your values. A man named George from Florida started reading to kids at his local elementary school after retiring. He says those smiling faces remind him every day that he still has something to give, and that sense of purpose keeps him young at heart. 4. Embrace technology, gently. Now, I know not everyone loves technology, but it can be a bridge to connection, not a barrier. Video calls, Facebook groups, or even texting can help you stay close to family and friends, especially if they live far away. You don't have to be a tech expert. Just learn the basics. Ask your grandkids to show you how to use Zoom or WhatsApp. And remember, every message, photo, or call you share helps keep relationships alive. 5. Stay active in your neighborhood. Sometimes the best connections are right next door. Chat with neighbors while walking your dog, wave to people during your morning stroll, or attend community events. A friendly "good morning" can turn into a real friendship over time. Communities grow stronger when people take the time to connect, and you can be the one who starts it. 6. Keep family traditions alive, or create new ones. Family gatherings, Sunday dinners, or even a monthly movie night can keep bonds strong. If family lives far away, start new traditions online, like sharing weekly photos or cooking the same meal over video chat. It's these small shared moments that remind us we belong to something bigger. 7. Be open to new friendships. Finally, remember, it's never too late to make new friends. Some of the most meaningful friendships can form later in life because they're based on shared values, not just convenience. Whether it's someone from church, a fitness class, or a local cafe, keep your heart open. Every person you meet has a story, and sometimes those stories can change your own. So let's take a moment to reflect. Staying socially connected isn't just about being busy. It's about being present. It's about picking up the phone, showing up to that local group, saying hello to your neighbor, or learning to use that video chat app. These small actions, done with care, can lift your mood, sharpen your mind, and add years, good years, to your life. Because connection isn't something we outgrow. It's something that keeps us growing. So if this message touched your heart, take one small step today. Call an old friend, sign up for a community class, or simply smile at someone new. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing. I share simple, science-backed tips every week to help you stay strong, healthy, and happy at any age. Thank you for spending this time with me. Stay connected, stay kind, and remember, your best years can still be your most meaningful ones.